Today we're going to be breaking down Rothco's water bottle survival kit. So let's uncap it and see what we've got inside. First off, the compressed towel, measuring 1.5 inches by 3/8 inches compressed, opens up to 11.8 by 19.6 inches. We also have a little sewing kit in there, as well as an existing Rothco item, the 5-in-1 survival tool. With the survival tool you get a fire starter right here on the side. It's also a whistle, and the cap is a compass. If you were to unscrew the cap, you would notice a capsule in there, a little waterproof area for storing small items such as matches. And inside of the cap, you'll find a signal mirror. And no survival kit would be complete without a multi-tool. So here we have a 3-feature multi-tool with a file, a small knife, good for cutting paracord or rope, and a pair of scissors. And here we have 2 Band-Aids, pretty standard for a survival kit, as well as one of the most vital pieces to a survival kit, some paracord. This is 33 feet of the 330-pound paracord. Comes in just about any color you want, as long as that color is black. Next up, we have a Carabiner multi-tool. Not designed for climbing, but it is great for strapping onto gear, either to a backpack or to your belt loop. It has a compass right on the side. And at the top of the carabiner, you'll find an LED flashlight. The batteries are included, and although it is small, it is also, as you can see, very powerful. We also have an emergency blanket, which will reflect 90% of body heat, and the 50 by 80 emergency poncho, which is one size fits most. Lastly, we've got one more carabiner, again, not for climbing, and the 33-ounce or 1,000 milliliter water bottle. So head to Rothco.com and find an authorized dealer near you, and comment below and let us know what you think of Rothco's water bottle survival kit.